Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get animated wallpapers for Windows 11. So first you need to tap on Microsoft Store. Once it is loaded, go to search bar, search for lively wallpaper and hit enter. Okay, you can see the first option, lively wallpaper. Just tap on get, then it will be download your computer. If you facing some issues while you are downloading from Microsoft Store, you can download directly from the web browser also. To do that, open your browser. Okay, in the address bar search for lively wallpaper and hit enter. So no need to go to Microsoft Store, go the second option, register, just tap on it. Alright, once it is loaded, you can tap on download option. So there are two options here. In this case we need to the second one. Just tap on it, Windows 64-bit installer. Now you can see it is start to download. It is around 300 megabytes. Wait for the download complete. Alright, now it is downloaded. So I am going to go to the download option. I use direct browser for the download. So go to downloads and you can see this is the setup. Just double tap on it. Okay, it asks install mode, so you can use for, if you have several user account, you can use only for you, or you can use for all. In my case I like to use only for me. Just tap on it, choose the language and tap on yes, tap on next and accept the agreement, tap on next. If you need to change your install location, you can change using browse. In my case I don't need that one. Just tap on next, and I like to create desktop shortcut, tap on next and install. So it takes small time to install the lively wallpaper on your computer. Wait for the complete. Okay, now it is completed. You can launch this application by just tap on finish. Sorry about that. Okay, now it is loading. Alright, now it is completely loaded. So you can search the wallpapers if you are like kind of like, as an example I like to use nature wallpapers. Just search for nature. I think in this time these are the available wallpapers, so you can choose the wallpaper from this. As an example I like to choose the rain option. Just tap on it. Okay, now it shows one active wallpaper. So once you are in desktop, you can see my wallpaper is changed to live wallpaper. It is changing while I am moving the mouse, you can see. So you can use other wallpapers also, and you can add the wallpapers that are in your computer, or you can use the wallpaper from internet. So yeah, you can do that kind of thing from this. So I think this video is helpful for you. If you think this video is better, please consider subscribe and liking this video.